I'm Mike from Harris Water Main. I'm here with Danny. He's our crew leader today. Danny, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are we doing today?
Today we're doing a little spot repair on a broken sewer.
Okay.
That, they have been a major backing up, so we're here to solve that issue.
So where's it broken?
At this point, I've been briefed that it's been broken by the curb.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the excavation and start by going down here and
Okay, why don't you show me where we are right now?
So at this moment we're just taking off the top of the street. So now we're gonna start our excavation. So now we're about say 2.5 feet. Due to we have water and utilities in the hole, we have to stop and check and make sure we don't break nothing, rip nothing.
If you hit a water main, it's a big problem.
Yes, actually, and then it's gonna even make the job even more difficult. So we're trying not to break anything and do what we have to do. So at this moment, we're just trying to excavate, see if we find a water main, and then we're gonna continue with our excavation.
Okay, and I see you guys are getting your boards prepared here to get ready for shoring. How deep we have to go?
Because by 4 feet, I want to start to have my shoring in the hole for safety first. Next 2 feet, I'll have shoring started going to the hole.
Okay, very good. Calvin, how you doing, man? What were you doing with the bar there? Just loosening up the dirt? Yeah. Or were you searching for anything?
Searching for the water line.
Okay. They backfilled the street with all types of garbage, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot of debris.
I saw a broken piece of pipe.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. So
Yeah, and old asphalt down there too.
Like a dump land area is mostly like dump, you know?
This area in particular.
Yes.
So after we get down, you make a new connection on the pipe, right? We have inspection today?
Yes, pretty much. I have inspection, so I have to get down to the pipe, make that connection, and get ready for my inspection.
All right, great. So when I was here before, Duncan, you had him getting all prepped, getting ready for the shoring, right?
Yes.
Obviously, we have the man, Julio, right here.
That's my operator, you know, yeah.
Yep.
We are here, you know what I'm saying, doing what we gotta do and make the customer safe and happy.
Very good. The water goes in the same trench as the sewer over here?
Yes, it's running together. But most likely water is gonna come up a little higher because the water main is only 4 feet.
Yeah. Do you know if the sewer was collapsed here? Is this why the ground's all wet? Is this?
Pretty much, that's a major sign.
Yeah.
Because the soil is all soft and moisty.
And you can start to smell it a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can even smell, so that's a good sign right there.
So where are we at now? Yeah, we're not even at 3 feet yet. And you said we're 8 feet deep, right?
Yes. Something in the way, you have to be very cautious and very cautious, you know.
And what type of water main do they have inside?
I think they have like a 3/4.
Is it lead?
Copper line, I think.
Okay. And it's in the same pit as the sewer?
Definitely.
Now, is it possible that when they installed these and they built these homes, they installed the water mains, that the water main's very deep here too?
Correct.
But it's not worth the risk.
Definitely have to check. It could be down there and it could be up. You never know where they bring it up, you know?
Yeah.
Which point they brought it up, so you just have to check until a certain point and be like, okay. So right now, at this point, he's telling me he wants the machine operator to go down that depth where he's at. Just take off the top so he can get a little more room.
Okay.
So he can definitely go and check again.
Okay, gotcha.
So at this moment, we're clear to go another foot.
Okay.
We see what's going on.
You want to walk me quick through just how you set up the safety of this job?
First of all, I gotta secure my perimeter. That's first step. I secure my location, meaning I took my cones out. So as you see, I got my workman sign out, safety first, and then I started work.
So you guys had to shut the sidewalk down?
Yes.
So how are we stopping pedestrians from walking on this side of the street?
I have a sidewalk sign closed at the beginning of the
block, okay.
Block, and I also have one here.
Okay.
Same thing on the other side.
So 4 signs total.
I have 4 signs up, so pretty much as soon as they see that one, if they doesn't see that one, by the time they get here, they have to
know.
see one. Yeah.
Okay.
So eventually they're gonna see one and they're gonna cross.
Okay. And you have enough space here for cars to get by?
Yes, I have more than 12 feet.
Calvin, you find anything?
Nothing. I would not to find anything.
That'd be better for us.
What if you don't find anything?
Yeah.
So Danny, what are you setting up with the blowpipe here?
Right now I'm setting up blowpipe so I can even flow and clean up and see what's going on.
I gotcha.
This is like an air.
Yeah.
I can use it to
loosen the
clean
dirt
and see
up.
what's going on, yeah. Also that.
So we're definitely gonna have to get rid of this and bring in clean fill for sure.
Yeah.
Well, what is he on?
Pull it, come back.
It's important for you to be his eyes down here.
Yes, because definitely most of the time he can't really see what's going on into the hole. So I have to be like his vision to see like what's going on.
So there's certain hand signals you guys use?
Definitely, and he understands. Most of the time he doesn't even have to look in the hole. He just watches me.
That means fold the bucket, right? That means pull back, right?
That means pull.
Okay.
And come back. And that means stop.
Anytime you're doing subsurface work, accidents could happen. So clearly, the machine accidentally nicked a water main, and they're trying to calm it down right now. So what they do is they try to pinch it. You see how Calvin's doing it right now? It's starting to slow down. In our line of work, these type of things happen. Fortunately, you got skilled guys on how to stop it right away. You see what he's doing? He's breaking out the side of the wall so the shoring boards can be straight, so not on an angle. So Danny, what are you cutting the cross pieces?
Yeah, that's right.
Sometimes when the metal braces don't fit, we have to make braces out of wood, the cross braces. So you can see they put the boards underneath the backhoe legs and the backhoe bucket, the loader up front. That way we don't damage any sidewalk. It's extra protection. Now that they got the initial bracing done for their shoring, they're gonna dig down a little more so they can set the other planks on the side.
Thank you, Julio. Let us see what's running.
All right, we're gonna let these guys finish shoring up the hole so we can get this customer's sewer line repaired. Thanks for watching our video.